Kani kadega Batesi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni, balawan rasha pi da ka Orange Nissan, lom so po niya Fabricate Shillong, ringkat bat ka BDW International School Nongmansong, Langkarding Shillong. Admissions open now.
Haka arpo kundai tarik ukalalangkot arjar arpo, Executive Director jangka Meghalaya State Skill Development Society Shillong. Bhupendra Hajong ula pelaj pajba ya ka kali balatip gum ka mobile skill van kabadon ya ki samla ki bala syahikai ban pentibit ban lech ya ki shnongi thau ban pendaj bat ban marmat ru ya ki tayar kali jong kinu ki kali ki badon kam ya ki jingerap ya kene ka mobile skill van la pelaj pajba ha ka jingelang ka balalong ha Don Bosco Youth Center Laim Crash along ha ka bala ong bakatong jong ka Automotive Tire Manufacturer Association kalong ban plela ru ya ki samla ki bala syahikai pentebet haga Rubber Skill Development Council ban ai jing syakri syaki pajba ki badon kam jingerap la kalong ha surak ba National Highway ne syaki yeng ki sem katkum ka jingsya jong ka kam.
His idea is that he can solve many ills from the society. Root out poverty. One, there are so many scourges in the society. One is poverty. The other one is illiteracy. And of course, he also names even corruption. That according to him, all these ills and scourges of the society also can be cured. If not fully, at least it can be minimized. That's why again and again we have been hearing the catchword. It's a Hindi word. This is Kaushal Bharat is Kushal Bharat. If we just translate it into English, it will be like that. Skill India is the most progressive India. That means even he also says in many number of times one thing, that Hunar hai the Kadar hai. It's in Hindi. Again I translate it into English. If someone has skill, if he commands respect, he doesn't need any effort to get respect. He commands respect. That's why it's called Hunar Hai the Kadar Hai. Now, skill doesn't mean that you have to be a highly qualified PhD holder, graduate, or big certificates from big universities. Skill is totally a different ball game altogether. A person with a high degree may not be skilled, but a small man, a small farmer or a village artisan without any formal background, without any university degree or college degrees, can be a very highly skilled person. And many a times, of course, we ignore, we fail to recognize them. That is why the entry of RPL into the entire system